There's no need to stop it. Take your hands out of your pockets. Blast off like a rocket. I order you to dance.
Shake it. There's no way to fake it. Get up, get down, get naked. I know you can take it. I order you to dance. Hit the sore spot. Your moves, they stink like dry rot. You need to learn a whole lot before you can dance with me.
Dancing, it ain't just fancy pantsing. The beat, it takes romancing. It's not just happenstancing. You must learn to dance.
Come on, Katie. Let's show this robot how it's done.
There's only one reason why we keep you around. We hammered you together to bust it around town. So far I haven't seen any worthy can shaking, booty breaking, move making. We probably could use you for any vocation, like doing our taxes or internet dating, but I'm pretty sure we programmed you to bend to our will. So if you don't learn, you'll be crumping in a landfill.
Watch us go, robot, then you'll know, robot, what it takes to make a rockin' dance show. But don't take my word for it, cut your break, come on, for it, let's